The potentiometer, often referred to as a pot, is a versatile and widely used electronic component that allows for variable resistance in electrical circuits. Renowned for its simplicity and effectiveness, the potentiometer finds applications across diverse fields, from audio equipment and lighting controls to industrial machinery and robotics. Operating on the principle of varying resistance, the potentiometer consists of a resistive element with a movable contact, known as a wiper, that can be adjusted manually. By turning the knob or shaft connected to the wiper, the user alters the position of the wiper along the resistive element, thereby changing the resistance between the terminals. This variation in resistance allows for precise control of voltage, current, or signal levels in a circuit. The potentiometer emerges as a fundamental component in electronics, offering variable resistance control in a wide range of applications. Its simple yet effective design allows for precise adjustment of voltage, current, or signal levels in circuits, making it indispensable in audio equipment, lighting controls, industrial machinery, and beyond. With its versatility, ease of use, and availability in various configurations, the potentiometer continues to play a vital role in shaping the functionality and performance of electronic systems across diverse industries.